today's video. Today's video is going to be a weekly reading for the week 4th to 10th August. So that is what we are going to see. And in this video, there are three options. If you came from the reel, from the short video, if you came here, then you must be knowing that there are three options. Okay, so whichever option you chose, this is going to be an extended version of that reel. If you did not watch that reel, well and fine, you can still watch it here. Okay, so we had option number 1, 2 and 3. Just pray to your God so that you can get the right guidance from this video, and choose the option. Whichever option you choose is going to tell you what's going to happen, what's about to happen in the upcoming week. Okay, so now let's get started. Before we begin, something about myself. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, I have reached more than 54,000 plus people with tarot services, with tarot classes and other spiritual classes. So that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I told you that there are three different options, and you are supposed to select one card from those from those three options. So let me just shuffle the cards. Dear God, spirit guides, please share guidance for my viewers for this week. Okay, so first of all, if you have selected the option number 1, this card actually says that there is going to be some sort of travel that's going to happen in this week, and this travel could be traveling to your village, traveling to your hometown. It could be a short level travel, it could be a long level travel, though it is just a weekly reading, so I cannot say that this is going to be a very lengthy travel, but that travel is going to happen. It could be a travel, it could be moving to some place, right? Moving to a different state, moving to a different country. That could happen in this week. Now so that is what the cards are saying. Now further from there, if you had chosen the option number 1, then what is the other guidance coming for you? Okay, so so we have additional guidance for you. So first of all, we have the Justice card. So Justice card actually says that you have to make sure that there is fairness, there is balance in whatever you do, and consequences, legal matters. It could be that there are certain consequences that you will have to bear. There are going to be some legal matters that you will have to address. Now it could be all of some of these, okay, right? Because there are a few people who will be watching this video. Cause and effect, life lessons, integrity, fairness, balance, truth. So there is going to be some level of karmic stuff that's going to happen. You will have to pay off for some of your karmas during this week. Okay, it could be like a very small chunk of your karmas, because it's just a small weekly reading. The next card we have here is this. This is a card about giving and receiving. Okay, so this week, you have to focus on giving as well as receiving. Quid pro quo, balance, accept, generosity, equal give and take, kindness, care, being valued. Okay, so this reminds me of some people who are very uneasy, who are just easy and relaxed while they are giving, but some are very uncomfortable while receiving. And the other way is also true. There are some people who always are very comfortable receiving gifts, receiving help, receiving gifts, receiving any sort of help or work that somebody is doing for you. But when it comes for those people to give back, they are highly allergic to giving back. So this week is actually telling you, you have to make sure that it's equal. Giving and receiving has to be equal. If you are comfortable receiving, you have to make sure that if you even give back something that is equally worthy for what you have received. And if you are very comfortable giving, then you have to be comfortable receiving what the others are giving you in return. Okay, so that being said, the next card here we have is this. And this card actually says status quo, non-conformity, challenge. Okay, there is going to be a challenge, freedom, unconventional life choices. So you will be very much driven towards selecting something about that's going to be more eligible to give you more freedom. So when you choose freedom, there are some other life choices that you make. When you don't choose freedom, there are some other life choices that you make. And unconventional life choices. So yes, there are going to be some unconventional choices that you will be making during this week. Okay, so that being said, let me see what are the messages from the universe for you. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, we have this card. So this card is actually, it says move your body. Make sure that you are doing some physical exercises. You are doing some exercises, yoga, tai chi, just do anything, but there has to be some sort of exercise you have to involve in your day-to-day life during this entire week. Like, it's always necessary, it's always good that you exercise throughout your life. So yes, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye. Okay, so just in case if you have selected the option number 2, I did say that, you know, this card is for, it is going to make you, this week is going to make you feel depressive, it's going to be self-sabotaging. You will have a lot of thoughts where those thoughts will be always negative. Those thoughts will be always negative according to what you are doing in your life. Yes, you know, sometimes your mind has a tendency of thinking too much motivating and positive thoughts. At some point, your mind is more like thinking too much on the negative side, and yes, it could be that you are putting all the blame of your life problems, maybe others' life problems, or the whole of the world's problems on your shoulders. It could be that you are doing this. Okay, so let's get started. What exactly you are going to feel in this week? So yes, option number 2. Yes, dear God, spirit guides, please guide something for the option number 2. What are the things that the option number 2 are going to experience? So first of all, we have the Hermit card, spiritual energy. So yes, there is going to be a lot of negativity that you will experience, and the best thing to cut off negativity is meditation. Meditation is going to be something, you know, where you will have to do soul searching. See, if you are suffering through negative thoughts, negative mindset, and it has been like an on and on story, you just cannot stop it, then the cards are actually saying that you don't have any choice, because you have just stopped growing on the evolutionary level. You have stopped growing on the soulful level. When you start meditating, you start growing on your soulful level, you start evolving, which is why yes, this soul searching is going to end up into a lot of positivity. So yes, there is going to be enlightenment, there is going to be growth and guiding light. Yes, so you have to make sure that you meditate. Start meditating during this week. If you feel that you don't know how to meditate, please visit my channel. Yes, this channel itself where you're watching this video, this is the channel where you will be getting all the free meditations. Yes, I have posted some free meditations. Make sure that you do those meditations. Okay, that being said, the next card we have here is this. Yes, for you we have self-serving disinterest. Okay, in this week, yes, you are going to be emotionally detached, disconnected to most of the people, you know, that you love. Okay, and yeah, sometimes it's not wrong, sometimes it's good to just vent out your negative emotions and just give yourself some free time so that you can become light on the inside, right? Missed opportunities, bored, unmotivated. So you will be bored, you will be unmotivated to do anything. Okay, depression. Yes, see, the second card is confirming depression. So yes, you could be depressed that you just don't want to participate in life. Okay, and make sure that you don't keep on ignoring for a very long time. There could be some good opportunities that could be coming in this week, so make sure that you just don't keep on ignoring all the opportunities. Okay, that being said, the next card here we have is this. Okay, so this card we have, and people divided. Okay, lack of support, disunion, unwelcome family problems, divorce, cancelled events. So there is going to be something, yes, some people in your life you could disconnect with. It is already happening, and yes, some of it could happen in this week, and you will be unwelcome. There could be some family problems that are happening, and I think that is also the reason why you could be yes, you know, why you could be suffering. So yes, that being that. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for the tarot reading. So let's see what does the oracle cards have to say for you. So first of all, yes, the cards are actually saying you have to focus more on taking food items that have vitamin B's. Okay, so what food items have vitamin B's? It is all the animal products, meat products and milk products. So these are the products that have a lot of vitamin B, and when vitamin B is deficient in you, then also you feel depressing, then also you feel, yes, mentally you just don't feel enough, you just feel off, you don't want to get involved, and yes, a lot of dramatic stuff happens. So this card is saying make sure you eat enough of dairy products or meat products. Okay, the next card is for moving your body. Yes, keep your body moving, keep your energies moving. The more stagnant you are, the more toxins are going to collect, and when there are more toxins, you get a lot of negative thoughts. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps. Until next time, bye. Okay, so just in case if you had selected the option number 3, the option number 3 is saying that there is going to be a comeback. You will feel like going back to something. There is also yes, you are also supposed to take some actions for certain things. You have made plans, you have made yeah, entire plan was mapped out, some program you had mapped out, and everything you had decided beforehand, and in this week you have to put it into action. Okay, so this could be plans related to what you want to make happen in your life, what exactly are the dreams that you want fulfilled in your life. So yes, that is where you start putting it into action. Okay, at the same time this person is a very adventurous person, so this person is definitely you have to make sure that you let out that adventure energy and you go on some adventure. Okay, I know that it's just a weekly reading, and I am not sure whether this could be the time where you could be getting holidays, right? Because during summer holidays or during winter holidays, people can actually plan out something, but here in this, it's like the middle of the year in the August. So how can this be an adventure trip? You can just go on a short adventure trip on the weekend. Okay, so yeah, so that is it, and let me see what are the cards saying more for option number 3. Okay, option number 3. Okay, so here we have some extra cards. So first of all, the card we have is this card actually says that okay, there is going to be a test of your faith in this week. Okay, there is going to be a test of your faith, test of your trust. Okay, that's going to happen. You are supposed to live within boundaries. You are supposed to draw boundaries such that people are notified that what they cannot cross, what they can cross. Okay, I have been aware that people are very uncomfortable drawing boundaries. Okay, a lot of people, they are just used to letting people in their life unconditionally. See, even if you are letting in people unconditionally, not everybody is letting you unconditionally. Even the people who cross your boundaries, they have their own boundaries. They will not let you cross those boundaries. So if that is the case, make sure that you don't allow unconditional like treading into your life and just disturbing your life. Don't allow people to do that. Draw perfect boundaries. Yes, whatever boundaries are needed to be drawn in this week, try to draw it. And determination, faith, endurance, standing firm, persistence, maintain. Okay, so there could be some things that you have to maintain. There could be somewhere where you have to take a stand, where you have to just be with somebody. You have to stand and be there for something or somebody or some purpose. Okay, the next card we see here is of recovery. Okay, if you have had any health problems or emotional problems, some sort of breakdowns, then this week is very good for recovering and yes, finding peace, seeing the light, solace for pain, seeing clearly, breaking the cycle. So whenever there is a good time for clearing, I would suggest that you start doing some meditation. You meditate something such that it's going to be additional. Yes, you are going to accelerate the healing process. You are going to accelerate the recovery process. The next card we have here is this, and this card says offer potential flourishing. There is going to be some new beginning. This could be like just beginning of some mental perspective. You are seeing the world world from a different perspective, and now you are much more happier than what you were before. It could be as simple as that, or it could be a new beginning, like a new job or a new project that you're working on. Maybe a new project at your home, right, in your kitchen. You're trying to create something new in the kitchen. This could happen. So yes, that is the card for that. And yeah, now let's see what does the universe want to tell you. So what does the universe want to tell you? Okay, so first of all, if you are not aware, crystals are something that are going to help you this week. So try to use crystals. You know, you can either use quartz crystal or a rose quartz crystal. Just wear it, or you can put that crystal below your pillow while you go to bed. Okay, that being said, the next card is, yes, there is going to be some moving to other place. Okay, moving to other place, or you are going to help somebody who is moving to other place. Okay, the next card we see here is this, and this card is moon sensitivity. You're very sensitive towards the phases of the moon. Okay, that's new, right? So you study your sensitivity and master it. So I think by this week there is going to be a new moon phase that's going to start start developing. So it's a good time for you to start noticing the patterns, your emotional and mood swings, etc. You can start noticing. That is how you will start understanding how exactly your mind works, how exactly you are sensitive to the moon energies. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Try to share this video with other people. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. Let me know in the comments how does this video help you. And before we end this video, yes, if while watching this video you just had extra questions and you wanted me to answer those questions by looking into tarot card, by all means we can do that. But for that, yes, you will have to book a consultation. The video that you are watching is for free, but if you want my help to answer any more questions, then yes, you will have to book a consultation. Consultation booking involves paying money, paying money, and you will have to make a prepayment. After the payment is confirmed, you will be given a date and a time, and yes, there are time slots available based on how many questions you have. So based on the questions you have, you can book a 30-minute, 60-minute or a 90-minute session, and then once the session is booked, you will be given date and time, and based on the date and time, on that date and time, you will get a consultation either via phone call or via a video call. Okay, so yeah, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.